Hello, my name is Justin Huan, and this is my movie search demo presentation. Now, the reason I decided to present this project was it was a build-off of a previous project in this computer science class, which I filtered and sorted certain items. And I was sorting and filtering Marvel movies. But then I thought about it, and I thought there is currently no mainstream site that actually filters and sorts by every single component a movie has. So if you want to see the Rotten Tomatoes ratings, you're gonna have to go to Rotten Tomatoes. If you want to go to if you want to see the box office complete breakdown, you're gonna have to go to Box Office Mojo to see the split between international and domestic. You want to go to Metacritic, you need to go to Metacritic's website, etc. And even though Wikipedia might have all of these elements, there's not a mode where we can compare all of them. So I decided let's try to work on that. Two things to note. First off, this is most of this search example is hard-coded data. So if this was a completed app, I would find a way to read it through a database and an API. Number two, the aesthetic design of this isn't as much of a key as much as of its functionality, although aesthetic critiques are completely welcome, are absolutely welcome. So we got 12 movies on this list. We got 3 Nolan movies, 3 Kenneth Branagh movies, 3 Spielberg movies, and 3 Ridley Scott movies. So you got all these movies. And for the categories, we have title, release date, director, box office, international, Rotten Tomatoes percentage, and the average, which I truly believe the average score is just as important as the Rotten Tomatoes percentage. So the thing is, each of these sorts, they're currently at a neutral state. You click on it, it will change to ascending, followed by descending, and then back to normal. So ascending release date, Jaws goes first. Descending release date, Dunkirk goes first. And you can always switch to a different one, and that would be reset to neutral. Worldwide box office, Hamlet's the least, Jurassic Park's the most. So that is the sorting aspect of this program. So the second part of this program is the filtering. Now let's say you want to compare 2 movies exclusively. We already have one filter that automatically defaults when it opens, so let's type Inception. You're going to get Inception as the only search result. Now, you want to add another filter category. Now, let's say you want to compare Inception to Hamlet. Now, you get 2 of them up. And if you want to add another title filter, same thing goes on. And then you can sort it as demonstrated before. There we go. Sorry. Yeah. Sorting works the same. Now, let's clear out these filters. Now let's say you want to compare 2 directors. So let's say you want to compare Ridley Scott with Nolan's movies, and you're gonna get all of the Nolan and Scott movies. And since these 2 movie searches are still there, let's say you want to add Cinderella into the mix just for laughs. I don't know. And did I not spell Cinderella? Yeah, I don't think I spelled Cinderella correctly. There we go. Okay, it's right there. So So Cinderella showed up along with the rest of the search results. So yeah, filtering is pretty straightforward. So I think this is a good baseline for having an application that you're able to sort and filter amongst every single category. So my question is, in order to improve on this, besides just the aesthetics, because this is definitely bare bones, what can I do to improve the functional layout? So do you think these categories are sufficient? Do you think that maybe that these filters are sufficient? Do you think more filters should be added? Do you think sorting it by ascending first, followed by descending, is a good idea? So yeah, thank you for watching, and please comment on what you think about this in the comments. Thank you so much.